Hi students, welcome to the class 14. In this class we are going to discuss orthogonality of Bessel's function and some examples on orthogonality of Bessel's functions. Prove that integration from 0 to 1 x jn of lambda x into jn of mu x dx equals 0 when lambda not equal to mu, and is equal to 1 by 2 jn plus 1 of x whole square when lambda equals mu, where lambda and mu are the roots of jn of x equals 0. Proof: we know that y1 equals jn of lambda x and y2 equals jn of mu x are the solutions of the equations x square y1 double dash plus x y1 dash plus lambda square x square minus n square into y1 equals 0. Call it equation number 1. And x square y2 double dash plus x y2 dash plus mu square x square minus n square into y2 equals 0. Call it equation number 2. Multiply equation 1 by y2 and equation 2 by y1 and subtract x square y1 double dash y2 plus x1 x y1 dash y2 plus lambda square x square minus n square y1 y2 minus x square y2 double dash y1 plus x y2 dash y1 plus mu square x square minus n square y1 y2 equals 0. Next, in the first two terms x square is common, so take it outside. X square into y2 y1 double dash minus y2 double dash y1 plus x common x into y2 y1 dash minus y1 y2 dash plus lambda square x square y1 y2 minus n square y1 y2 minus plus n square y1 y2 get cancelled. Here minus mu square x square y1 y2 equals 0. This term as it is, if it goes to RHS it becomes mu square minus lambda square. X square y1 y2 is common in both the terms, so take it outside. Okay, now divide the above equation by x square by x. This is d by dx of y2 y1 dash minus y1 y2 dash. If you differentiate this, we get this one plus x by x cancel, y2 y1 dash minus y1 y2 dash equals mu square lambda square x square by x is x y1 y2. Okay, next this can be written as d by dx of x into this one y2 y1 dash minus y1 y2 dash. If you differentiate this, we get these two terms equals mu square minus lambda square x y1 y2. Integrating with respect to x between 0 to 1, we get x y2 y1 dash minus y1 y2 dash equals mu square lambda minus lambda square integration from 0 to 1 x y1 y2 dx. Now substituting the values of y1 and y2. y1 is jn lambda x, y2 is jn mu x. Okay, and rearranging the terms, we get this one 0 to 1 x y1 is jn lambda x, y2 is jn mu x dx equals this divided by mu square minus lambda square x into y2 is lambda jn y2 is jn mu x, y1 is jn lambda x. If you differentiate this, jn dash lambda x into lambda minus y1 is jn lambda x, y2 dash is mu into jn dash mu x. This is jn lambda x whole divided by mu square minus lambda square. Call it equation number 3. If mu and lambda are the distinct roots of jn of x equals 0, then jn of lambda x equals 0 and jn of mu equals 0. Therefore, this becomes 0. Integration from 0 to 1 x jn of lambda x into jn of mu x dx equals 0. This is known as orthogonality relation of Bessel's function. Okay. When lambda equals mu in RHS of equation 3, it will be of the form 0 by 0. Its value can be found by considering lambda as a root of jn of x and mu as a variable approaching to lambda. That is by using the Hospital's rule. That is, mu tends to lambda. Here mu changes, mu approaches to lambda, but lambda remains constant. Mu changes, approaches to lambda. Lambda is constant, therefore jn of lambda x equals 0. Then equation 3 becomes integration from 0 to 1 x jn of lambda x into jn of mu x dx equals limit mu tends to lambda. You put jn of lambda x in RHS of equation number 3. Then it becomes x into lambda jn of mu x jn dash of lambda x minus 0 whole divided by mu square minus lambda square. Now apply D'Hospital's rule. Limit mu tends to lambda, definition of x is 1, lambda jn of mu of x is jn dash of mu x is mu equals lambda, so lambda x jn dash of lambda x divided by mu square is 2 mu. Okay, then lambda and equals mu, so lambda jn dash of lambda x jn dash of lambda x divided by 2 lambda. Lambda cancel, jn dash of lambda x whole square 1 by 2 right outside. Jn dash of x is n by x jn of x minus jn plus 1 of x. Here jn dash of lambda x is n by x jn of lambda x minus jn plus 1 of lambda x. Here jn of lambda x is 0, therefore jn dash of lambda x equals jn plus 1 of lambda x. Therefore this can be written as 1 by 2 into jn plus 1 of lambda x square. Example, show that j0 of x equals 1 by pi integration from 0 to pi cos of x sin theta d theta equals 1 by pi 0 to pi cos of x cos theta d theta. Solution. We know that cos of x sin theta is j0 of x plus 2j2 of x cos 2 theta plus 2j4 of x cos 4 theta and so on. Integrating with respect to theta between the limits 0 to pi using the result integration from 0 to pi cos and theta d theta equals 0 when n is an even integer. We should use this result. Therefore integration from 0 to pi cos of x sin theta d theta j0 of x 0 to pi d theta plus, if n is an even integer 2, 4, 6 and the value becomes 0, therefore remaining terms are 0. J0 of x integration of d theta is theta, upper limit is pi, lower limit is 0. J0 of x pi minus 0, that is pi j0 of x. Therefore j0 of x equals 1 divided by pi integration from 0 to pi cos of x sin theta d theta. Call it equation number A. Replacing theta by pi minus theta in equation 1. Simplifying, we get cos of x cos theta. In this equation put theta equals pi by 2 minus theta, it becomes cos theta. Cos of x cos theta equals j0 of x minus 2j2 of cos 2 theta plus 2j4 cos 4 theta and so on. Integrating with respect to theta between the limit theta 0 to pi, between the limits 0 to pi cos of x cos theta d theta equals j0 of x integration from 0 to pi d theta and the remaining terms are 0. Okay, because n is even number, cos 2 theta cos 4 theta, their integration is 0, therefore we get theta upper limit pi, lower limit 0, pi minus 0 is pi j0 of x. Therefore j0 of x equals 1 by pi into integration 0 to pi cos of x cos theta d theta. This is equation number B. from equation A and B we can write J naught of x equals 1 by pi integration from 0 to pi cos of x sin theta d theta equals 1 by pi integration from 0 to pi cos of x cos theta d theta.